How to turn on Save in Chat in Snapchat. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To turn on the Save in Chat in the Snapchat application, navigate to your Snapchat app in your device. Now over here, first thing you need to make sure to log in into your Snapchat account if you have not yet. Once logged in, tap on the chat icon at the bottom. Now from here, locate the conversation in which you wish to save the chat. Now firstly, tap on the view option and view the snap. Then you need to press and hold onto it and click on Save in Chat option. As you can see, with a simple tap, you have saved a chat in Snapchat. One thing that you need to know is if the sender has sent the snap in the countdown that is less than 10 seconds, you won't be able to save the snap. Now you can remove the saved snap as well by just tapping on it, then heading over the three dot icon and clicking on Unsave in Chat, which will remove the saved chat in your chat feed. Isn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try. Thank you so much for tuning in.